Get it, get it. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Reel it in.
What? Alright, Jake, we're leaving. We're going to Red Top. Oh, it's still on.
It's still on. Keep fighting it.
Yo, I need someone to come grab the top of my rod. It broke in 2 places. Fucking snapped it. Must be a big fish. Oh, you want to borrow my rod? How's it going, Kyle?
It's stuck. I think it's stuck on the bottom, eh? I think you're wrapped up in the fucking bottom, to be honest.
What the fuck, guy? Am I?
Yeah.
I don't really.
Holy fuck, guy.
Anymore.
Oh, we might be getting somewhere. Reel. Reel down, reel down, reel down.
I think so. Down. This will be the most epic story ever. Get it. Get it. Come on, get it.
If that fish is still there, I'm gonna be fucking amazed. We're out of the rocks, we're out of the rocks. Reel down, reel down.
Dude, that fucking fish
Reel down,
is
reel
still
down,
on.
reel down, reel down. We ain't got it yet. Reel down. I'll get this on video too.
No, you do not.
I think so. I think I do. I do. It's blinking.
Dude, that's a big fish too. That's fucking awesome, guy. Yeah, dude.
That's a monster, eh?
Fucking,
and there's
an
the alarm.
to fucking go home, dude. Holy shit. Wow,
Woo!
dude.
That was sick, eh?
Fucking holy shit, hey.